How do you locate liquidity in markets? We're going to go ahead and mark these swing lows and these swing highs. And now these are ideas that you could play out for the market. So when the market moves, you can see, can you handle that stop loss? But notice that it doesn't take the low side. And now we come to the top side, it slices through that. Can your stop loss handle that if you shorted early? This is our True Algo indicator reversal boxes. You can see that they're located not where the liquidity zones are. Where we're marking the X's is where you can simply see these are not lining up, but this one down here is lining up in this area. So let's see what price does and see if we can catch some reversals. Our zone's been hit. This is where we're going to look to build longs and then straight up into our other reversal area. And this is where we look to take profit and open shorts. And from here, as we can see, the reversal works out. But there's a question we got to ask. What if price doesn't reverse at our boxes? Well, we have a plan and we teach this to our traders. When we get a clean slice through our box like this, now we know that we should long it to our bigger box above. And as soon as we get there, you set up another short. This would be take profit 1. And our next box below would be take profit 2. And just like our system teaches, when we get down to that reversal box, we're going to look to go long as we don't get a clean slice through. And this is what we mean. So as price comes down, first take profit, second take profit, we clean slice that box, you don't get a chance to go long, and now you ride it short to our bigger box, like so. And here's an example of taking a short from one box because you got candle confirmation closes bearish. We take the short down to our take profit 1, which is our other box. And then here, this is where you look to enter long because we didn't cut through that box. A nice little scalp long on top of your short that's still running. And now from here, there was another green candle close, a tiny little scalp, or we could say that maybe this one is stopped out, but you still had 2 wins already. There's a third one, and then let's not forget that original short ran all the way down to our box, and now that resulted in over 400 ticks. You're not going to win every position here. We have 2 really good winning trades, 1 small trade, 1 loss. Either way, you're still positive for the day. We show you how to formulate strategies. Come join us at True Algo.